Today we are going to talk about the basics, or how to properly install receptacle. Here in the United States, there are many types and combinations of receptacles, but to keep things simple we are going to talk about the basic 15 and 20 amp residential grade receptacle we use here in the United States. The most important part of a receptacle box is to determine if you have a ground or not. This is important because in case of a short circuit of voltage spikes, then the ground wire makes a big difference. Ground is very important for safety reasons. You will know if you have a grounded receptacle box if you see a green or bare copper color wire. For good measure, this has to be tested before proceeding because it could be a hot or live wire. This can be easily determined by a trained electrician. Next, you take a look at the receptacle and you will see the different colors of screws on both sides of the receptacle. Some also have wire clamps and/or some holes in the back. These are called pressure hole connectors. The silver color screw is going to be the neutral side of the receptacle. You can verify this by looking at the front side of the receptacle. The neutral side has a longer blade slot. Next is the hot side or positive side. This is going to be the yellow or gold looking screw. This can be verified by looking at the front of the receptacle, and you will see that the hot side or positive is shorter. Working round receptacles installed in metal boxes I recommend. I always wrap the receptacle terminal screws on both sides with a couple of turns of electrical tape to avoid possible short circuits. If you have a receptacle that is not working, there can be several things going on with the circuit. It could be a loose connection on the receptacle. In cases of GFCI receptacles, it could also be a tripped receptacle or a bad internal circuit, which can also happen to circuit breakers. Most important thing to remember is safety. Never ever work on a live circuit. It only takes one tiny mistake to lose your life. Remember safety first. You don't want this to happen to your house. Please like, share, and subscribe. See ya next time.